Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to your virtual classroom. Let's travel to London. London, London, UK. Let's go up, 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 up. Wow, where are we? Look how many stars. We are in the space. This is the sun. Let's go down, 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 a bit more down. We are in London. This is the London Eye. This is Big Ben and the River Thames. Let's find the London Eye. There it is. Let's go closer. A bit closer. Just a little bit closer. Wow! It's a big wheel. It goes round and round, round and round. Come on, let's take a ride. It's amazing. Guys, what's on the other side? Oh, it's Big Ben. Let's go a little bit closer. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's a big clock. What is that? It's a London bus. It's a big red London bus. Look, more buses. 1, 2, 2 red London buses. It's a London cabby. 1, 2 London cabbies. What is that? It's a tower bridge. Let's go closer. Wow, it's so beautiful. What is this? It's a beach. And that is the River Thames. Okay guys, let's go up again. Up, up, up. Where are we? We're in the space. Good job, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.